Hello students, good morning. Today is our maths class. In the last class, we have discussed about Unit 8, tens and ones. Hope all of you have understood. In today's class, we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter 9, My Fun Day. Chapter 9, My Fun Day. Chapter 9, My Fun Day. M-Y, My. Fun Day. F-U-N-D-A-Y. Fun Day. My Fun Day. Yes. Now, before start our class, let us sing a rhyme. Okay? One day, Monday. One day, Monday. Went to Tuesday. Went to Tuesday. To see Wednesday. To see Wednesday. And ask Thursday. And ask Thursday. To tell Friday. To tell Friday. And also Saturday. And also Saturday. That Sunday is fun day. That Sunday is fun day. Once again, one day Monday went to Tuesday to see Wednesday and ask Thursday to tell Friday and also Saturday that Sunday is fun day. Now tell me students, how many days are there in a week? Good. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Now, let us write it on the blackboard. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, let us write one by one now. Sunday. Yes. U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Yes. U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Repeat after me. F-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Once again, repeat after me. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. There are 7 days in a week. Students, is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Once again, Sunday is the first day of the week. Keep it in your mind. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Have you understood this? Good. Okay students, we already know days of the week. Now let us do an activity. As we all know, Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the first day of the week. Now, can you give me the answer for these questions? Okay, are you ready? Yes. So tell me students, which is the fifth day of the week? Which is the fifth day of the week? Very good. Thursday is the sixth day of the week. Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Next, which is the second day of the week? Which is the second day of the week? Sunday is the first day of this week. Which is the second day of the week? Very good. Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. So tell me now, which is the fourth day of the week? Which is the fourth day of the week? Good. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. The last question is sixth. Which is the sixth day of the week? Which is the sixth day of the week? Good. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Friday is the sixth day of the week. Once again, fifth day of the week is Thursday. Second day of the week is Monday. Fourth day of the week, Wednesday. And sixth day of the week is Friday. Have you understood? Can you revise once again? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, now let us do one more activity. Name of the activity is before and after. Before and after. Look at the board. Tell me which day comes before Monday. Which day comes before Monday? Before Monday? Very good. That is Sunday. Yes, U-N-D-A-Y. Which day comes before Monday? That is Sunday. Now, tell me students, which day day comes after Monday? Which day comes after Monday? After Monday is Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday. 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 Next. Which day comes before Wednesday? Which day comes before Wednesday? Very good. Before Wednesday is Tuesday. Which day comes before Wednesday? Before Wednesday, that is Tuesday. Very good. And which day comes after Wednesday? Which day comes after Wednesday? Very good. That is Thursday. 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 After Wednesday is Thursday. Next. Which day comes before Saturday? Which day comes before Saturday? Very good. That is Friday. Before Saturday is Friday. Which day comes after Saturday? Which day comes after Saturday? Very good. That is Sunday. 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 After Saturday is Sunday. Have you understood? Before Monday is Sunday. After Monday is Tuesday. Before Wednesday is Tuesday. And after Wednesday Thursday. Before Saturday is Friday. And after Saturday is Sunday. Have you understood this? Before and after? Good. Now, let us get into the topic, that is today, yesterday, tomorrow. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. Students, today is the present day. Today is the present day. Yesterday is the day before the present day. Yesterday is the day, but before the present day or today. Tomorrow is the day after the present day. Tomorrow is the day after the present day. Have you understood? Today is the present day. Yesterday is the day before the present day. Yesterday is the day before the present day. Tomorrow is the day after the present day. Tomorrow is the day after the present day. Okay, take an example. Okay, suppose today is Wednesday. The day before Wednesday is Tuesday. You know before Wednesday is, which is the day before Wednesday? That is Tuesday. So on Wednesday we say yesterday was Tuesday. Next, day after Wednesday is Thursday. Which day comes after Wednesday? After Wednesday is Thursday, right? After Wednesday is Thursday. So on Wednesday we say tomorrow will be the Thursday. Have you understood? Which day comes after Wednesday? After Wednesday is the Thursday, right? So on we say Wednesday, tomorrow will be the Thursday. Okay, let us take few more examples. Suppose today is Wednesday. Before Wednesday is Tuesday. So on we say yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. If today is Wednesday, after Wednesday is Thursday. So on we say tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay. The next, the today is Friday. Suppose today is Friday. Before Friday, very good. Before Friday, that is Thursday. So on we say yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday. If today is Friday, after Friday is Saturday. So we say tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Okay. Suppose today is Monday. Before Monday, very good. That is Sunday. So we say yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Suppose today is Monday. After Monday, very good. That is Tuesday. So we say tomorrow will be Tuesday. Have you understood this? Good. Okay, now let us answer these questions. Okay, what is the day today? What is the day today? For me, today is Saturday. Saturday. Today is Saturday. Next question is, what is 2 days after? What is 2 days after Wednesday? What is 2 days after Wednesday? After Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So after 2 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. After 2 days, that is Saturday. Next, what is 7 days after Saturday? What is 7 days after Saturday? So after Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. After 7 days, that is Sunday. Have you understood this? Okay. Now take out your maths reader. Take out your maths reader. Page number is 66. Unit 9, My Fun Day. Is Sunday a fun day for you? Yes, definitely Sunday is a fun day for us. Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Students, just you considered on Monday, strike out this Monday and write here Sunday, okay? Sunday is happy to be a first day of the week. Now you tell. The third day of the week is. Now we are going to consider Sunday is the first day of the week, okay? Sunday is the first day of the week. So now tell me, here there are 4 questions. Let's answer it, okay? The third day of the week is. If Sunday is the first day of the week means, which is the third day of the week? Very good. Tuesday. Write it here. Tuesday. Next. The 5th day of the week is. So now we know here third day of the week is Tuesday. So which is the 5th day of the week? Very good. That is Thursday. Write it in the blanks. Thursday. Next, the second day of the week is. So which is the second day of the week? Sunday is the first day of the week. So Monday is the second day of the week. Next, the last day of the week is. Which which is the last day of the week? That is Saturday. The Saturday is the last day of the week. Write it in the blanks. Saturday is the last day of the week. Next, which day will come? I already taught you this. After Sunday. After Sunday is Monday. Write it in the blanks. Monday. After Sunday is Monday. Before Sunday. Before Sunday is Saturday. Next. After Wednesday. After Wednesday is Thursday. Right? Next. Before Wednesday. The before Wednesday is Tuesday. 2 days after Sunday. 2 days after Sunday means Monday, Tuesday. Next is Wednesday. After 2 days, that is Wednesday. 4 days after Wednesday. 4 days after Wednesday. After Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So after 4 days, which day comes? That is Monday. 7 days after Monday. After Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After 7 days. So after 7 days, 7 days after Monday. So after Monday, we have to count. So 7 days, which day comes? That is Tuesday. Take out your maths classwork book. Topic, my fun day. Write today's date. In each row, write the weekday which comes before and after the given weekday. So here it is yesterday, today, tomorrow. If today is Wednesday, which day is the yesterday? Which day is will be the tomorrow? That you have to write. Every week, circle the days on which you have school holidays. Here there are 7 days. You have to circle which day you are having school holidays. Next, take out next page. Write topic, my fun day, and write today's date. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks given below. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Look at the picture properly. On dash, Rita reads a book. Yes, here Rita is reading a book, right? On which day she is reading here? On Tuesday. You have to write it here, Tuesday. On Tuesday, Rita reads a book. On dash, children play on the seesaw. Yes, here children are playing seesaw, right? On which day? That is Saturday. Write it in the blanks. Saturday. On Saturday, children play on the seesaw. On dash, Rahul goes to school. Yes, here Rahul. Wednesday, Rahul goes to school, right? So write it in the blank. On Wednesday, Rahul goes to school. Kindly complete this page. Students, kindly complete your workbook and textbook activities. Hope all of you all understood today's concept. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.